I am Amos SAUROMBE, a professor of international economic law, and I teach the course on Africa and the politics of international trade. This module is about providing candidates with a broad understanding of the various political, economic, and institutional challenges that African countries confront in world trade and world trade negotiations. Evidence is abound, indicating that Africa remains marginalized in the world economy, averaging only 3%. This is reflected in the continent's stagnant share of world production and trade. Economic structures that were imposed during the colonial era continue to shape Africa's insertion into the global economy as only producers and exporters of cheap primary products and importers of high value-added products. It is important to realize that Africa has historically been a rule taker in the multilateral governance of world trade, where established trade rules have largely favored the rich countries. Protectionist policies of both Europe and the United States of America continue to have an adverse effect on African countries. In response to this situation, the continent finds itself in, African countries have adopted a range of policies and strategies to counter their marginal position at regional, continental, and global level in order to improve the continent's capacity to produce and trade in goods and services. These range from more visible and active role in the World Trade Organization, where African countries have formed coalitions to champion their trade and development objectives. African countries are standing up in different forums of the World Trade Organization and at the global level. At the continental level, decisive action is being taken to promote broader continental integration through the African Continental Free Trade Area. At regional level, Southern Africa, through the Southern African Development Community, and a few other regional economic communities are hard at work as building blocks for continental integration. Through South Africa, some African countries are engaging BRICS countries as strategic partners to cover the void that traditional trading partners have left. African countries also benefit from a range of preferential schemes in accessing developed countries' markets, although the actual impact of these schemes on Africa's export performance and development is a matter of debate. This module therefore encourages candidates to analyze critically whether these strategies have been successful in promoting Africa's meaningful integration in the world trading system, or other interventions are required. A third student at TMALI should find it exciting to enroll in this module as a way of challenging the status quo and realize the potential the continent has if it can control its trade relations with the world.